Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back in another BornPrettyStore product review. This time I'll be reviewing a stamping polish named as the Noon Sunshine. Now let's try it as a nail polish. Of course, I already applied a peel-off base coat before applying the first coat of this stamping polish. There you go, perfect in one coat. Now let's try using it as a stamping polish. And here are my nails after applying a layer of top coat. The Noon Sunshine is a part of BornPretty's Warm Tea series collection. It's very opaque and I'm really loving the light green shade of this stamping polish. If you want to give this product a try, the link is available on the description box below. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!